Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Infosys SP role exam complete process. Tomorrow is the examination date and many candidates are asking lot of queries. So in this video we will discuss about all the queries. If you not received the exam mail, what is the reason, how to change password or how to reset password, SP exam coding question, exam guidelines, plagiarism checker, examination date is tomorrow. One of the most important point, we already created one playlist for all of you in which pattern related video are there. Okay, what is the sample of online assessment, Infosys recruitment process, updated exam pattern, coding question level, coding exam, all topics you can practice and prepare, everything is there. Okay, so you can check out this playlist. We already made video of previous year coding question as well, so you can check that. Okay, let's start the video. One of the most important point, candidates are mentioning that not received exam mail. What is the reason? Okay, there are two condition in this case. Okay, what is the first condition? Just understand that there are two type of condition, like we have to write the exam mail here, and there are two type of condition. The first condition is in the form of phases. Phases means different dates. Okay, like 6th July is the first examination date. Okay, and the next examination date will be in the upcoming days. Okay, it's again I am saying it's just a condition, or it's just a two condition that we are considering. Okay, it is not confirmed. Maybe they will they will conduct examination in the form of phases. Otherwise, the main thing is your resume or profile shortlisting. Okay, that's the main thing, because this is one of the opportunity that is shared by colleges. Okay, Infosys shared this opportunity with some of the colleges. Okay, many of the colleges, and if you applied for this opportunity, so they will check your profile, otherwise resume, for shortlisting purpose. Okay, so that's the main thing. That's the main thing that is very important. There are two type of condition, either examination in the form of phases, or either there is a resume or profile shortlisting. And one of the most important point, if you received any kind of update of 7th, 8th, 9th or any of the date that your examination date is different, please mention in the comment section. It will very helpful for everyone. Okay, so this is the two condition and we can wait. Okay, we can just wait if both of the any of the two condition or both condition will work. Suppose most probably in the upcoming days they will come with next update. Okay, or is there any resume or profile shortlisting, so they shortlisted the candidates and they send the exam date as a 6th July and this is the final date. It will depends on Infosys team, so let's wait. Next thing is related to how to change password. I already shared this update in the previous video. Basically, first step is, the step number 1 is you can see your username and password. That password is one-time password. Okay, that password is one-time password. So here there is a link. Okay, you have to click on open here and Infosys assessment platform will be open, where you can see the reset password button. Okay, so you have to change the password, reset the password. You have to use the same user ID or password that is mentioned in the mail. Okay, and after resetting, the user ID is same and the password is different. So the process is very simple, but it is a mandatory process. They mention you must reset the one-time password shared above at least 24 hours. This is web protocol online test 180 minutes. If you start the test 11 AM, you will be complete to 2 PM. One of the most important point that I have to mention, just wait. Okay, one of the most important point that I have to mention, just see that the login window will remain open for only 30 minutes. That is from 11 AM to 11:30 AM. You must start the test with the time frame. There is one most important point, your examination start on 11 AM. So till 11:30 the login window is open. In this time you can log in. Okay, will remain open for only 30 minutes. After that the login window will be closed. It is mandatory to have a working webcam. Please ensure your face is completely visible. Use of mobile phone, headphone and other audio devices is prohibited. All code submission are run through a plagiarism detector. Any candidate found at unfair means at any stage will be instantly disqualified. So we are discussing about that. That is a plagiarism checker and exam guidelines. But what about the SP coding examination question? So I suggest you can choose any of the platform, either LeetCode or HackerRank. Okay. Just go to data structures or algorithm section, any of the section. You will find the string sorting, dynamic programming, DP based question. Solve this DP based question, because definitely they will ask a dynamic programming related question. And in the LeetCode there is medium level difficulty question. Okay, like when you choose to the difficulty medium, there are lot of questions. Solve this because it is very very important. Okay, and this is the strict examination guidelines. Okay, before your examination I suggest you to please do one system check. Okay, either your system is working properly or not before attending the examination. Okay, and let's discuss about the plagiarism checker. Okay, plagiarism checker means, suppose if we copy code from any of the website or from any of the other source, so it will run through their plagiarism checker, and if they found like any of the discrepancy, so like if they found any of the error or something, so like they mention that they will disqualify immediately. So they one of the most important point, there are many of the Telegram groups, okay, that they mention you have to pay 1500 rupees, 1000 rupees, okay, for one code. Okay, so all the test cases will be passed. Just understand, suppose you are taking help from any of the group and you cleared the examination, but what about your interview? Okay, suppose is the interview is in person and they will give you write a code for this, they will give you DSA code, so how you will write? Okay, so that's the main thing. You have to, choice is your, you have to choose one thing, or like you can attempt or perform your exam by your own. That's the main important thing. Okay, so कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, आपको अपने ऊपर सारी चीज़ें रख के देखना है, क्योंकि आफ्टर completing examination there are interview, there are training. Okay, so at that time you have to perform very well according to your own skill sets. Okay, so that's the most important thing. And Infosys टीम को कुछ भी इसके बारे में पता चलता है वो डिस्क्वालीफाई कर देते हैं. दैट्स द मेन थिंग. यह बात का आप ध्यान रखिएगा, ये आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा, मैं आपके अच्छे के लिए बता रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ अपॉर्चुनिटी विथ अ होप, सो कोई भी मिस्टेक की वजह से अपॉर्चुनिटी से बाहर नहीं होना है. Let's discuss the most important thing, that is a user manual. Okay, and candidates are asking where is the examination link. So examination link is this, you have to click on open and Infosys assessment platform will open. Okay, you have to use the username and new password that you change and you have to log in. This is the complete user manual. You have to read terms and condition. Your challenge will be there. You have to do the system check. Okay, allow microphone access, everything, run speed test. After that you have to click on camera. Compliance test will be passed. After that the question will be there. Okay, so this is the question. You have to write, these are the test cases. You have to run, execute and submit. Okay, first execute, so it will execute all the test cases and the submit. So this is the complete steps that is related. And guys, I know that one day is not enough for the preparation, but I suggest you to go through the important topics of coding. Okay, believe in yourself, you can definitely solve. Like what about the cutoff for this examination? So one of the most thing that 2 to 2.5 is the safer side, but if you solve the 3 coding question with the all test cases, there are chances is high. But previously many candidates solved the 2.5, they got the opportunity of interview, but it will totally depends on Infosys team. So you have to complete all coding question. You have tried to complete all coding question. The coding question level is very very different in the Infosys examination, but you have to try. Best wishes for your examination tomorrow. If you have any kind of query, let me know. Thanks for watching the video.